Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT to RedotPay in 2026. So first of all, you need to launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description. If you do so, you are going to get $5 absolutely for free as a welcome bonus. Now, when you are inside your account, you just have to simply tap on the option of deposit that will be on the home page. Afterwards, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to deposit. So since we want to deposit USDT, we are going to select USDT. Afterwards, it is going to show you some other options. So you need to tap on the option of on chain here on the top. Then you need to basically select the network. So you will be shown a bunch of different networks like Ethereum, TRX, and then we have BSC. So if you want to save money on the gas fees, I recommend you to either go with TRX or BNB Smart Chain, which is BSC or BEP20. So as soon as you select the network, you will be shown a QR code and the address. So you need to simply launch that particular wallet or account of yours in which you have USDT and from which you want to basically transfer the money or USDT to your RedotPay account. So for example, let's say I have some USDT inside my Bitget account. So simply tap on the option of assets and tap on the option of withdraw. Over here, select the option of on-chain withdrawal. Then you just have to simply select USDT option. Now over here, you can either scan the QR code by selecting this QR code option on the top right hand corner, or in the withdrawal address section, you can just simply paste that particular address from RedotPay. Then in the withdrawal network, you just have to select the same network which you have selected in RedotPay and then simply enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Afterwards, simply tap on the option of withdraw here in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to wait for some time until the withdrawal is completed and until you see the crypto available inside your account. So when you have it, you are going to see that you have successfully deposited this much amount of USDT, and that's how you will be able to do it. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.